Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jewlz Ross, and today our video is about trying our luck in the vending machine or in Gacha part 2. So before, I already recorded a video like this when I've collected some coins. So now we will try again today because I've already collected some coins because it's been about 2 months, I guess, since my first video or the part 1. So actually right now we're gonna try the equipment vending machine and card vending machine. I don't have any coins for headgear and pet. I think only for equipment and card vending machine. So right now, as you can see, my level is 67, but it's really hard to level up. So I think I will be stuck on the level 60s for quite some time. So I'm still thinking of getting level 60 equipment and then maybe trying to roll one from the level 70 equipment. So wait, so let's start right away. Alright, so I won't be doing like times 10. I want to try rolling just one for the gacha so that there will be suspense also on this video. So I hope we will be more lucky today, or will be luckier on this video, unlike before, because actually I think I only got one equipment that can be used by my character, which is a high wizard. So let's start now. First, since I have 1,420 coins for the equipment vending machine, I think I will be starting with a level 70 equipment, but I will just attempt once. Okay, let's start immediately. So I need to I actually need 220 just for one attempt for the levels 70 equipment. So let's try right away. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Okay, let's see what we'll get. Showdown Man 2. So what's this? It's not for me. Our first attempt is already a failure. So let's go back and then let's try the level 60 equipment. So I will start now. Let's see. First attempt. Imperial Guards short bow. So of course this is not for me. Skip. And then next one. I'm getting everything for snipers or archer job. Okay, for our third attempt for the level 60 equipment. So here it goes. Yeah, I think I'm using this one. So okay, at least we got one. Okay, next. Imperial Guards Chant Manual. I'm already using this one, so I think I'm gonna keep it, so you know, for future use, for refine if ever, you know, I broke the equipment or I break the equipment. Okay, again. So our coins are diminishing. Imperial Guards boots. This is for swordsman. Knight, Lord Knight, blah blah blah. Okay, again, we have now 650 coins to use. Loki's mail. Of course, this is something for... How come I cannot click it? I'm trying. Anyway, let's skip that one. Definitely, it's not for a wizard, right? Another attempt. Guardian of Time's boots for thief assassin job. So now I only have 430 coins remaining for the equipment vending machine. So again, I think we have no luck. Let's see what we got. So here are everything that I got. So most of them are crossed out. So I just got this, which is what I'm using also right now, and then this one. Only 2 equipment. Anyway, I think we will have to switch to the card vending machine this time. Okay, so for basic card 35, I have 523 coins for the card vending machine. So we will go to the fair card. It needs 150 to roll this one. So these are all the stuff that we can get. I do hope I get something that I can really use. Okay, so here are the items that we can get from the fair card vending. So let's start now. Let's see what we get. Of course, if it's something that I cannot use, I'll just deposit it or dismantle. Magnolia card. So what's this? Final crit. Critical plus 6%. Definitely not for me. Okay, next one. So I just have 2 more attempts, I guess. Okay, for our next Bongoon card. So this is this immobilize persistence? Okay, so plus 13. Yeah, I think I can use this. And then one more here. Tail card. So these are all the things that, or the stats of this card. I'm farming on this monster right now for my level. Okay, so we have 73 more, so we can get some basic cards. Hopefully we get something that we can deposit or use somehow. Okay, so we can have 2 attempts for this. So let's start now. Dustin's card. Yeah, this is for Wiz. Oh no, it's okay. It's HP plus 4,800. This is for headgear. Okay, so we'll try again. So our last attempt for the card vending machine. Alright. Creamy card. So this is damage bonus plus 60. I think I just deposit this one. So anyway, those are the cards that we got. Okay, so we have Creamy card, Dustin's card, Ninetail card, and the Bone Moon card. And also a Magnolia card. So most of them, this one, I think I can use it, but dirt, and then this one also, but these two are not really for me, but maybe I'll just deposit them. Okay, so let's go back immediately to the equipment vending machine. So I still have, how many more? I think just 2 attempts for a level 60 equipment. So let's try our last 2 attempts. Okay, so again, we're unlucky. So this is our last attempt. I think I will try to dismantle some of the things that we got, and then we will go back here in the equipment vending machine. Okay, for our last attempt. I think we are more unlucky on this video compared to part 1. Why am I getting all these stuff? So let me show you what I got. So all of this all crossed out, like this one, dagger, cross longbow, ring, pommel saver, and all of these, so they are not really for me. So I'll dismantle this stuff, and then we'll get back to the equipment vending machine. Let's see how many more attempts we can get. So I'll be right back. Okay, so actually there has been a technical error or a problem on my recording of the second part of the video. So right now I'll just show you all the stuff that I got, except those that I already dismantled. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you because it wasn't recorded properly. So here's the stuff that I got. So I got one, which this is the same weapon that I'm using right now actually, and then this one, the Imperial Guard square shield. And then I think a couple of this one, Hope Desiccate ring, which is something that I'm using for an accessory. And then what else? Then another one of the Imperial Guard's chant manual. And then what else? So these are all the things that I got from the equipment. And again, as you can see, all these 5 cards are the ones that I got from the card vending machine. So thank you so much for watching. Please look forward to my other videos, and yeah, I hope you'll get lucky in vending machine, and don't be like me. I am very lucky on the gacha or on the vending machine. Yeah, but you know, I'm not sad. It's fun to use the vending machine, so I'm fine. I'll just accumulate some more coins and then use them again on the vending machine in the future. So thank you so much for watching. Please look forward to my other videos, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.